hugging a tree at the age of 3 and sharing all my heart out, then waiting for its leaves to move to understand what it is replying back to me. Hi, I am Pooja Chopra, an environment consultant running an enterprise as a founder director, Orlina Ventures Private Limited. I have been in this field for the last 2 decades with an expertise spanning domains including biodiversity interpretation, community based ecotourism, climate change education, and also transformation coaching. This we do across the globe. Environment holds a profound place in my heart, as you see from my profession also, stirring a deep sense of responsibility and concern within me. I definitely feel an intrinsic connection to nature, which nurtures a blend of awe, respect, and an urgent call to action. All my work, my travel has been in nature throughout. I definitely feel a bit sad when we see the impacts of pollution, deforestation, and climate change. The loss of habitats, the extinction of species, and the adverse effects on human communities are stark reminders of the consequences of our actions. However, my emotions are mixed, that of hope and urgency. I'm hopeful because I believe in the power of collective action, innovation, and the growing awareness of environmental issues. I definitely see communities coming together to implement sustainable practices, us individuals making conscious choices and policies gradually shifting to environment protection. This hope definitely inspires me to be a part of the solution, to support and engage in efforts that aim to restore and preserve our planet. I have been running tree plantation drives myself, just picking up trees from the the saplings from the forest department, making the local community come towards it, and finally planting it at those locations where we could even take care of them. I'm part of many global NGOs that are working towards climate action and climate change education and awareness. In addition, I myself as an individual is trying to be into a completely sustainable lifestyle wherein I focus on energy and water conservation myself. In sum, my feelings about the environment are a complex interplay of reverence, of concern, of hope, and urgency. These emotions drive my commitment to environmental stewardship and my belief that we all have a role to play in safeguarding the planet for our future generations and also for us.